Are you tired of side hustles that demand endless hours online with no real payoff? What if I told you that with just $1,400, you could buy a vending machine and earn up to $900 per month while barely lifting a finger? Sounds too good to be true. It's not. Thousands of Americans are buying snack and drink machines, placing them in high-traffic locations, and watching consistent profits roll in almost automatically. In today's video, you'll see the exact blueprint from choosing your machine and securing the perfect spot, to stocking it smartly and managing it passively. If you've been searching for honest passive income that anyone can start, this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Automated vending is booming because it checks all the right boxes: low-tech, minimal maintenance, and near-instant profitability. People like Brandon Schlichter in Ohio are showcasing real results on TikTok. A single soda machine costing $1,400 made $249 in just 1 week, and roughly $900 a month. Multiply across a few machines, and you could rival a solid part-time salary with almost no active effort. Plus, it's visually appealing. Who doesn't love seeing dollar bills and coins overflow from a glass front? Getting started only requires a few simple steps. Buy a reliable machine. Negotiate placement in the right locations, such as gyms, dorms, offices, or laundromats. Stock it with profitable products. Think canned drinks at $1 for items you buy at 50 cents wholesale. Then hire someone local, a college student or part-time helper, to refill and handle maintenance. You simply restock every 1 to 2 weeks and collect cash. Easy, repeatable, and scalable. Not convinced yet? TikTokers like Jade Davis have proven you don't need deep pockets. Her $250 snack dispenser made her $150 in only 3 weeks. Another entrepreneur, Marcus Graham, runs 25 vending machines and reported $300,000 in revenue in just 1 year. The proof isn't hypotheticalized live, it's feed-worthy, and it hits the viewer's dopamine just right. This isn't a sales funnel or overhyped digital course. It's brick-and-mortar passive income you can start with minimal risk. Compared to rideshare, dropshipping, or crypto, vending machines require less screen time, no website development, and give you a real-world asset. Plus, items sold can be tax-deductible expenses, helping reduce your annual returns. Now, let's talk money. A single well-placed machine can consistently net $700, $1,000 monthly. 2 machines, that's $1,500, $2,000 passive income per month. Scaling to 5 machines gets you into serious cash flow territory without daily effort. Best part, you don't even need advanced business skills, just consistency, a good eye for placement, and the willingness to manage a small asset. Thinking long-term, this model scales faster than you'd expect. Reinvest profits into more machines, expand 2 underserved areas, and you build a self-sustaining vending empire that works while you sleep. Imagine buying 6 machines in 6 months and earning $5,000 plus month passively, while others are grinding for every dollar. That's true financial freedom. If you're ready to stop trading time for money, this could be your ticket. Comment "I'm ready" below, and I'll send you my free checklist: the best vending machine models, negotiation email templates, location tips, and budgeting tools to start your passive income journey today. Hit like if this strategy excites you, and subscribe, because next week I'll show you how to double machine profits with digital inventory tracking and remote management. Let's build something real together.